Unlocking the Mysteries of Mystify, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a really exciting topic to discuss. The word, mystify. Whether you've come across this word in a book, a movie, or maybe in a conversation, and found yourself puzzled by what it means, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep and uncover the mysteries behind mystify. Mystify is a verb, and it essentially means to confuse or puzzle someone. When something mystifies you, it leaves you feeling bewildered or perplexed because you can't understand or explain it. For example, if someone tells you a story with a lot of complex details and unclear connections, you might say that the story mystifies you. It's important to note that mystify can also convey a sense of enchantment or fascination, especially when something seems very mysterious or difficult to understand. Now that we understand what mystify means, let's look at how to use it in a sentence. 1. Simple usage. The magician's trick mystified the audience. In this sentence, mystified is used to describe how the audience couldn't understand how the trick was done, adding a sense of wonder and amazement. 2. Describing feelings. I am completely mystified by his behavior. Here, the speaker is expressing their inability to understand someone else's behavior. 3. With objects. The ancient artifact mystified the archaeologists. This sentence implies that the archaeologists couldn't explain or understand the purpose or origin of the artifact. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can help to deepen your understanding of mystify. Synonyms: baffle, perplex, confound, bewilder, puzzle. All these words convey a sense of confusion or difficulty in understanding something. Antonyms: clarify, illuminate, enlighten, explain, elucidate. These words represent the opposite of mystify, indicating making something clear or easy to understand. And that brings us to the end of our exploration of the word mystify. Remember, when something mystifies you, it leaves you feeling confused and bewildered, but also possibly enchanted and fascinated. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of mystify for you, and that you're leaving feeling a little bit more enlightened. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.